train stopped at Jamesport. That was my unlucky day. Seems like all my days are unlucky. I never saw my father. My mother, she left me one day in a tenement with a neighbor, and she never came back. Then the neighbor moved out, and old Sam lived down the hall. He took me in. I was about 5 then, I think. And my knee is stiff. It's always been stiff. I can't straighten it out. Old Sam got me a crutch, a tin cup, and a sign that says, "I am hungry. Please help me." And he put me out on the street corner. I was a beggar, begging for pennies, which old Sam took every night, and he bought his liquor. I learned to be polite. "Oh, yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, bless you." Sometimes the folks would give me an extra penny. That's the way I grew up. Every day was the same, rain or shine. He put me out on that street corner. Till the police came, swept up all the orphans. They put us on a train, and I guess they didn't notice the crutch, because when I got on the train, I was only healthy kids, no sick or crippled ones were on the train. But I was, and I lined up at every stop, but nobody wanted me, because I was a cripple. Until the stop at Jamesport, this one man stopped and said, "So nobody wants him, huh? You with a bum leg? Shucks, I'll take ya." He wasn't me, but his 2 sons were. "Yeah, Pa," said biggest. "He can do the kitchen work." Their mother had died, and they were batching. "Can you cook, wash dishes, woman's work?" said the other one. "Hey, one leg, I'm talking to you." I went home with them, and I was the sun up, the sun down. Others call me one leg, and they treat me when they could, and they laugh when I fell. I ate what was left over. Alone on the back porch, I sleep in a barn with a dog, and every night I prayed I'd just get away somehow. Until one night, my prayers were answered. A carnival came to town, set up their rides and shows across the way in a vacant lot. There was music and lights and people. It was like New York on the streets. Each night I slipped over into another world. There was this one stand where you throw balls at things, and sometimes the balls would roll on the ground, and I'd pick them up and give them to the man. He smiled, and I started to hang around him.
What's your name, kid?
Raymond?
How'd you hurt your leg?
Born that way.
Well, didn't your father go see a doctor about it?
I never had a father.
Your mother?
Haven't got a mother.
Well, who do you live with?
So, those hateful folks,
Yeah.
they took me off an orphan train. I work and do what they say, and they laugh at me. I sleep in a barn. I couldn't help but cry. I told him everything.
Poor kid.
I didn't mean to cry, but
It's alright. I know. I'm an orphan myself. But kid, life has given you a bad roll of the dice. That's for sure.
I want to run away.
Why not? I'll tell you what. Get an extra buck in my wagon. It's a long haul tonight, but tomorrow we'll be far away from here. I'll take you along. You can help me in the stands. Pick up the balls. You stay with me and let those bastards go to do their own work.
You mean I can go with you?
Sure. Now lay low. Don't let anyone see you around before we pull out.
I will.
Come back when you see me back and leave.
To leave. To leave. I was going to leave. Leave those bastards. I stayed with the carnival, enjoyed the carnival life and music and lights and happy people. It didn't matter that I was a cripple on the window. We had midgets, a bearded lady, I fit in. Later I don't stand. Spin the wheel of fortune and win yourself a Cupid doll. I grew up, stood as tall as any man. I was a barker too, louder than most. Step right up, down your dime, spin the wheel of fortune, and win yourself a Cupid doll.